am V. Madhukrishna of class 7. I am here to explain my seminar topic heat. Heat is a measure of total kinetic energy content of atoms or molecules of a body. What are the properties of heat? The properties of heat are hotness and coldness depends on speed of heat transfer. Speed of heat transfer depends on type of material of an object. Heat can be transferred from one body to another body. Heat transfer does not continue indefinitely. What are the sources of heat? The sources of heat are from the sun, from coal and petroleum, from gas, and from wood and biomass. What is temperature? Temperature is a measure of hotness and coldness of an object or a substance with reference to standard values. It is means to determine the average kinetic energy containing within a given system. What is thermal expansion? The tendency of a matter to change its area and volume in response to change in temperature is called thermal expansion. How can we measure temperature? We can measure temperature using a device called thermometer. The SI unit of thermometer is Kelvin, which we can denote by symbol K. What are the types of thermometer? There are three types of thermometer. One, laboratory thermometer, digital thermometer, clinical thermometer. What is laboratory thermometer? Laboratory thermometer measures the temperature of objects in a lab. Its range is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Digital thermometer. Digital thermometer contains a small computer mechanism and a sensor. Any change in temperature causes the sensor to notice a change in resistance. It ranges between -200 degrees Celsius to 1800 degrees Celsius. What is clinical thermometer? Clinical thermometer is developed from measuring the human body temperature. The clinical thermometer range is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. There are two types of temperature scale. One is Celsius scale and the other one is Fahrenheit scale. There are three modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection and radiation. In conduction, energy is transferred by direct contact. In convection, energy is transferred by the mass movement of molecule. Radiation, energy is transferred by the electromagnetic radiation. What is conductors? Conductors are materials in which heat flows in or out more quickly. What are examples of conductors are seawater, steel, copper, gold and silver. What is insulator? Insulators are materials in which heat flows in or out slowly. The examples of insulators are drywood, diamond, oil, glass and rubber. The thermos vacuum flask is a super insulated jug which there is no heat transfer occurs because the flask is vacuum, so the conduction is not possible. And it is tight stopper which prevents airflow, so convection is also not possible. The reflective silver lining inside the inner chamber reflects back, so radiation is also not possible. What are the effects of heat? The effects of heat are change in temperature, change in shape of the body, change in physical state of the body like melting and freezing, evaporation, vaporization and condensation, sublimation and solidification. Land breeze. Land breeze is a movement of cool wind from the land towards the sea during night time in coastal areas. Sea breeze. Sea breeze is a movement of cool wind from sea towards the land during the daytime in coastal areas. Okay, let's just summarize. Temperature is the correct measure of hotness or coldness of an object. Heat flows at different speeds in different materials. Heat flows quickly through conductors and slowly to insulators. Heat always flows from a hot object to cold object. Heat transfer stops once the two objects attain the same temperature. Higher temperature means faster moving particles and lower temperature means slower moving particles. Heat transfer in solids are known as conduction and heat transfer in liquid is known as convection. Radiation is the mode of heat transfer through radiation. Preventing heat transfer keeps things warm and cool. What are things to remember? The things to remember are sweaters and vacuum flasks do not produce own heat. Instead, they prevent heat loss. Only heat is transferred from one body to another, not cold. Speed of heat depends on temperature as well as material of the object. Normal human temperature is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you.
Wait. Good presentation, ma. Same, all of you. You note down whatever the presentation is going on seminars, that we note down in notebook. Right or not? It is useful for you, na? Understand or not? So compared to your class, he is the now best performer. Am I right or not?